In this video, I'll show you how to request Western Union money order refund. You can request a refund, but there are a couple of key points to consider. Firstly, if the money order has already been cashed out or withdrawn, unfortunately, you cannot get a refund. To verify if it has been cashed out or withdrawn, you can call Western Union at 1-800-999-9660. They'll assist you in confirming the status. Assuming your money order has not been cashed, you can request a refund by visiting the following website: westernunion.com/self-service form/remote-form. Now, there are a few requirements for submitting a refund request. You must have a photocopy of the original money order or the receipt of the money order. Unfortunately, if you don't have this, you cannot proceed with the refund request. Additionally, keep in mind that if you qualify for a refund, Western Union charges a $15 processing fee. This means if your money order was, let's say, for $1,000 and you're eligible for a refund, you'll receive $985, as $15 will be deducted from the refund amount. When you're ready to request a refund, you'll need the money order number, the amount of the money order, and other relevant details like the date of purchase and recipient's name. You can submit this information on the website along with the reason for your refund request and upload an image of the money order for the receipt. To locate the money order number, check the top right corner and near the barcode at the bottom of the money order. It will be a 10-digit number. Once you've completed all the necessary information, click on the yellow Submit button. After submitting the request, you will receive a confirmation screen indicating that your Western Union money order refund request has been received. They will provide you with the case number and they will get in touch with you via email to process the refund. Keep in mind that processing may take up to 30 days, so you'll need to be patient. And that's how you can request money order refund with Western Union.